friends, it's good to see you again. We're here to talk to you about your moving and downsizing timeline. As usual, we're going to give you our 4 favorite tips to guide you through this process. Let us know if you have questions. Step 1, you are going to want to schedule a consultation with a company that will help you sell your items of value. Now, it is important to note here, all different companies have different strengths and weaknesses. So you do want to do your research and make sure that your expectations are in line with market standards.
And Cut the Clutter RVA has lots of partner recommendations, so let us know if you need some ideas.
Step number 2, you want to call Cut the Clutter RVA and go ahead and get started working on the garage, the attic, or the basement. All of these places have a lot of different decisions to be made, and it really is easier when you've got that extra set of hands to help you sort, gather, and execute the decisions.
And those areas do tend to accumulate lots of clutter, but you know what? You can do it. You've got this.
Step number 3, you want to begin gathering all of your packing supplies. Think boxes, think tape, think packing paper. Trust me, you are going to need so much packing paper.
That is true. You want those fragile items to be well protected.
And finally, step number 4 for this month is begin making decisions on the items that you want to give to friends and family. My number 1 tip for that is to begin staging all of those items in certain areas. As soon as you find something that you want to give to Joe, Billy, or Bob, I don't know why they're all guys, but if you find something you want to give to those people, put it in a pile. That way it lessens the event that you are going to forget to give that to them when you schedule time for them to come pick it up.
And you want to get those times on your calendar to meet with those folks too.
And if they want to get this timeline, Gretchen, where would they find that?
Yes, we'd be happy to send it to you. Just reach out to us.